Good morning, guys, and namaste. Welcome to another vlog. I hope you liked yesterday's vlog of Tulsi Viva. So, since that's done, I had actually dressed the Tulsi as the lady. I'm going now, in a new saree and wear. With Eknath again. So I came to buy bell. The bell was spoiled. And you must have seen the glimpse of the place of Panjim. The roads have been dug up. Basically, I just want to tell anybody who comes to Goa or who's traveling to Goa, it's a sincere advice that you need to see the roads properly. Carry your helmet, or if you're riding in a car, use Google Maps. Roads are so bad in Goa. They have cut down so many roads, even for the localites who are there over here. It is so difficult. At times it has been that we are spending hours and hours for a place, and also at the same time, if you're going to a particular spot in Panjim or in and around Panjim basically, or even in and around Goa, any particular place, make sure you plan out. Because if you don't plan out properly, you end up getting stuck over and again because of there are schools, there are offices, the roads have been dug up. I request all the people, just use your smartphone in terms of Google Maps. At least you'll have an idea whether there's a traffic or not and what's happening on that route. It's very bad in Goa. Please, just an advice. So we have come out just to give an order. So again, an order in Domino's. We're gonna do that. We're gonna eat something. Today is a junk day, so I'm gonna see what we can grab for today and head home. A few guests gonna come at home. Basically, Shivam's friend. Let's see what we're gonna do that.
That's the issue.
Ira say bye.
24/7 work.
बेचारा काम करके निकला.
And your clothes are wearing this only.
Ira say bye.
Bye.
He's also wearing this, no? You all don't have to change, right?
No.
And then it is good.
So now, since Shivam is going, we are also going out. gonna each continue watching a movie, and once it's over, back to sleep. Since it's Saturday, right? Tomorrow, since it's Saturday, so PTM and things like that. We got a wedding, but let us see. I'm not so sure that I'm gonna go. We gotta work also. And say good night and peace out.